I'm going to make a quick little video on how you can navigate each week. Right now I have it loaded in the student view. As you can see, I see a little bit of a different screen, but I wanted to make sure that this is what you see. So if you see here, all of the to-do is listed over here, so you can actually click into it that way, but I would actually prefer that you went over to modules, because you don't know, you're missing some of the information if you just go into the assignments due. So if you go over here to week, let's say we're in week 3, you can see all of the things under week 3 that you need to do. So we're going to click into directions, week 3 directions, and you can see the objective for the week, and then everything that you need to do is listed right here. You go down here to next. You can also go back and click into the next thing, or you could just click down here and go to next. So next is going to be the PowerPoint for you to watch and any videos for the week. Here's the article that I want you to watch. Here's the discussion board. And so how you're going to do the discussion board is you are going to look at the prompt right here, and then it will say reply. So I will hit reply and do my reply. If I want to reply to a classmate, I am going to find an original thread, and I'm going to hit reply right there. Okay. Then I would go down here to next, click on next, and here's an assignment. I can click on this and download it, answer it that way, and then upload it, save it on my computer, upload it as a Word document right there, and submit it. Next, I would click down next. Here is my quiz that I can take. And then after that, it will say that I am done for the week. So now I know that I have completed week 3. So at that point, I can either go next and go into the next, but the next one's not open for you. So you can't go to the next button here, but you can also go back to modules here, or you can go back to the home button. From the home button, you also, if you go down here, can click into the week that we are in, if it's available. So here's week 3, and I clicked into it right there. Hope that helps.